Hello everyone, this is your teacher Miss Lascano, and so today I'm going to be showing you a video of a great website that can be used for your PBL lesson. And so this website can be a great resource that you can use. It's called Mr.Nussbaum, and as you see here, this is how you spell it, and when you search it up, this is the first link that you click. So I'm going to click here. It's called Mr.Nussbaum Learning Plus Fun. And so when I scroll down, you can see all the multiple subjects that are shown, such as games, math, language arts, history, USA, geography, science, people, holidays, and others. And so for my students, when they're looking for our topic of the PBL lesson, which is over migration and immigration, we're going to look at these three subjects: history, USA, and geography. So I'm going to click on history for now. So click here. And when you click on history, you're going to scroll down, and you see all these multiple categories, such as the 13 colonies, Abraham Lincoln, Alexander Hamilton. There's so many topics that you can choose from. There's explorers right here. And there's so many of them for the history unit. And let's click on 13 colonies. When you click here, it provides you, it says right here, this section contains descriptions of each of the 13 colonies along with the beautiful interactive map. So the first thing you see here is the 13 colonies interactive map. And so I'm going to click here because it says this map allows students to click on any colonies or major cities in the colonies. So I click here. And so it pops up of this map, this interactive map, and it gives you a brief description of all the 13 colonies. And let's say if I click on a state, such as North Carolina. It gives you a description of North Carolina and when it was first settled and all the information that you need to look for. They give it for all these 13 colonies. And you can also click on a city as well, such as Williamsburg. Provides you so much information as well. And if you scroll down more, they give you the interactive map, some questions that you can answer, some activities as well. And so I'm going to click back and it'll lead me to the history right here. There's even specific colonies such as Connecticut colony, Delaware, Maryland, Massachusetts, all of these colonies that you can look for more information. And you see on the left hand side, they say grade levels. You can specifically choose the grade level you choose. For my PBL lesson, it's for 5th graders, so I can just click on 5th graders right here, and it limits the number of activities it shows. And so I'm gonna click back one more time, and you see other categories too. There's biographies, and I'm gonna click right here real quick, explorers. So when I click on explorers, it provides me many different explorers that have migrated around and moved around. There's so many of them. There's even Christopher Columbus, as many of us know. So many that you can look information. So I'm going to click on Christopher Columbus real quick. When you click on here, it gives you a brief description of who Christopher Columbus was, why he decided to move. They also provide a map. And also the interesting thing in this website, you can highlight some of the words and sentences. So you highlight clicking the left of your mouse and holding it to where you want to stop and let go. And then you press listen so you can listen to what it says.
Christopher Columbus was born in Genoa, Italy, in 1451.
I really liked how this website explains that you can listen to each sentences, provides a dictionary as well, and even translate, which I think that's really nice. So I'm going to scroll back up, and not only history, but we can also look at USA right here. And it provides you so many of the different states. Let's click here on Texas. So yeah, then here in Texas, you can see there's Texas Interactive Map, the symbols, there's Label Me Quiz, fact sheets, so many information that you can look over. And And then also you can click on geography up here. I'm gonna scroll down, and you can see the different continents. There's so much different things. Maps interactive. So yeah, I really like this website because I think it can be very informational, especially for students when they want to look for different kind of information on depending the subject, because there's so many subjects to choose from: math, language arts, history, and then science. And I think this can be great for many grade levels, and then specifically also 1st through 6th grade. And students can really look around, search information, get some research out of this website. And overall, I think this website can be really helpful for a lot of students. So yeah, thank you for listening to this video, and I hope you have a good day. And yeah, thank you. Bye.